Yeah, absolutely. So I'm a 20 plus year marketer. I started my career in copywriting, worked for agencies, consulted, and sort of worked my way through a number of different marketing functions. And about 5 years ago, I developed a performance marketing and creative development agency, and was sort of getting bored with the kind of basically the routine tasks of managing multiple marketing channels, and I wanted to kind of excel my own career. And so I stepped into the fractional CMO role. It was obviously very different coming in as a consultant and inheriting teams with various clients. The number one thing I think problem wise that I tend to see is not everyone is on the same page in terms of the big vision of what marketing is to do within that organization.
Right.
Um, it oftentimes is it could be someone such as head of marketing or head of growth that kind of has a different view of how the brand should develop their marketing strategy. The other problems I tend to see are just not a lot of great process and just operational documentation in place. And so the first day, I'm just looking to sort of be the curious one in the room, absorb as much information as I can, and try to understand the dynamics. How do they operate? How do they prefer to, you know, oversee marketing, and kind of where they're looking to go, and if it's realistic, but also if the dream is big enough for that particular brand.
And Katie, what's like one thing you're always sort of on the lookout for when you start a new engagement?